right after you did a supinu turn to your left, you're going to bourrée for 2 counts of 8. So we're just going to bourrée 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You would do 8 more bourrées and come down and fit. Using your right foot, you're going to tendu side, close front, side, close back. This time you go side, you're going to bring that right foot up and you're going to releve passe, up, side, close front. We're going to do 2 piqué turns to our right. Piqué turn 1, piqué turn 2, step, left foot closes in front. We're going to repeat the tendus with our left foot. Tendu, front, tendu, back, tendu, passe, tendu, close. 2 piqué turns to our left. Piqué turn 1, piqué turn 2, close 5th position, right foot in front, and plie. We're going to use our right foot and we're going to tombe to our right. So we're going to slide, straighten. We're going to switch shoulders with our umbrella. We're going to put it on our right shoulder. Using our left foot, we are going to beat back, front, walk, right foot, back, front, walk. 2 pas de bourrées, pas de bourrée, 1, pas de bourrée, 2, chaîné turn to the left. We repeat that with our right foot. Back, front, walk, back, front, walk. 2 pas de bourrées, pas de bourrée, pas de bourrée, chaîné turn to the right. Left foot closes 5th. We close our umbrella. We're going to hold it with 2 hands at our waist. Left foot's going to rond de jambe, down to our knees. We're going to sit, circle our head to the right. Look, down, up, and over our left shoulder.